Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Global Gourmet, where we'll explore a variety of mouth-watering dishes from around the globe. So, let's get started. First up, we have the delectable Korean fried chicken. This crispy, crunchy, and spicy dish is a must-try for anyone who loves chicken. The secret to its success lies in the double frying technique, which gives it that irresistible crunch. And don't forget to pair it with some cold beer. Next on our list is the Japanese sushi, a classic dish that never goes out of style. Sushi is a versatile and healthy option that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. It's a great way to explore different flavors and textures, and it's perfect for a quick bite or a leisurely meal. Moving on to the Italian pizza, a dish that needs no introduction. Pizza is a staple in many households, and it's a great option for a quick and easy meal. There are countless variations to choose from, so you're sure to find one that suits your taste. Now, let's talk about the French croissant. This buttery, flaky pastry is a must-try for anyone who loves baked goods. The croissant is a perfect breakfast treat or a delicious snack. Next up, we have the Chinese dumplings. These tasty little parcels are a great way to explore different flavors and textures. They're perfect for a quick meal or a snack, and they're a great option for those who are looking for a healthier alternative to fried food. Last but not least, we have the Indian tandoori chicken. This spicy and flavorful dish is a must-try for anyone who loves Indian food. The tandoori chicken is a great option for a quick and easy meal, and it's perfect for those who are looking for a spicy kick. And that's a wrap for today's Global Gourmet adventure. We hope you enjoyed exploring these delicious dishes from around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and food adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.